The West Coast Office National Stationery and Office Supplies Catalogue is quite an impressive book.
Whoa.
But we do understand that these 162 pages of everything your office could possibly need can be a little overwhelming. In this video, we want to show you how to use the catalogue to get exactly what you need fast. Focus on the colors. As you open the catalogue, on the very first page, you will find the Quick Find directory. All items are placed into one of the 21 categories. These categories are represented with a small icon, each with a unique color. For example, the paper is green, the pens are blue, and the coffee is red. Yes, we do canteen and janitorial products too. I told you it's impressive. As you flip through the book, you'll find these same colors on the outside edge to match up for a quick reference. Take just a moment to familiarize yourself with the categories that are most relevant to your needs. You can place a sticky flag to find your most needed pages even faster. The flag's on page 58 in case you were wondering. Once you have the page, the next thing is to focus on the picture. Quickly identify the product, read the specs, and then look at the little table for the code. The codes can vary based on the variety available, like the color. We like to use a highlighter to highlight the code of a regular item. That's on page 81. Call us if you have any questions about a product or need help in deciding what item is best for your situation. Our sales team are always happy to advise you towards the best products for you. You can WhatsApp, email, or call us to get your very own stationery and office supplies catalogue. We'd be happy to drop it off. West Coast Office National, trying to make your life just a little bit easier.